friends. So here I am again with a new topic, that is sign of comparison. So today's the demo will be on sign of comparison. We'll start with a new thing. Who is he? It is a crocodile and he loves to eat numbers. So wherever he finds bigger number, he eats that number. Right, students? So this crocodile named Croki eats bigger number. He is a number eater crocodile. Let us see how he behaves when he sees the numbers. Look here. Here we have two numbers. One is 5 and one is 7. And 5 is smaller than 7, right? 7 is a bigger number. Now how will Croki behave? Croki, our hungry crocodile. He'll come, he'll see that 7 is the bigger number and he'll eat 7. So, where we see 5 is less than 7. Now, we'll take another number. 9 and 2. Which is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger number. Again, our hungry Croki comes. The Croki is pretty hungry and he is thinking which number should he eat. And 9 is a bigger number, so he will eat 9. And this time what happens? We say 9 is greater than 2. Now we'll take one more example. 5 and 5. Now let us see how will Croki behave. What do you think? How will Croki behave? Both the numbers are equal and Croki loves to eat bigger number. So what will Croki see? Now he's pretty confused. He's sitting there and thinking which is the bigger number and how will he eat. So we'll say 5 is equal to 5. So what we found? We found there are 3 signs of comparison. One is less than, other is greater than, and the third one is where the Croki is sitting, that is equal to. Let us take few examples. How will we explain them? Okay. There is a number 2 and a number 5. What will Croki do? Which is the bigger number? 5 is the bigger number. So Croki will eat 5. And we say 2 is less than 5. Croki's mouth is open towards bigger number. Now other example, 7 and 3. Which is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. Now what will Croki do? He is come and he will eat 7 and his mouth is open towards 7. So what we say? 7 is greater than 3. Now 5 and 5. What will Croki do? 5 is equal to 5. Both the numbers are same. So Croki will sit and wait. And we say 5 is equal to 5. So this was all about sign of comparison. Wait for my next video. We'll have a good time. Thank you.